Guys, Jake's Aviation here. Today we're going to be doing model unboxings and reviews. Got quite a few models to go through. We have some in this small box right here in front of you guys, and then I have another box off to the side that we're going to go through. So let's get this started. I believe there's just one model in this one, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got in here. These all these models, by the way, are from WaffleCollectables. Great model company. I'm guessing there's just one in here. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's multiple in here. Okay then. Oh, there's two models, guys. I wasn't expecting that one. Alright, let's see. What do we have? We have... Oh, okay. A little bit of mix and match. So, right here we have the pretty rare GeminiJets United A319 in the older livery, and then we have a Delta 767. So we got these two. Excuse me for that. I wasn't expecting that box to have these two in here, but so we got these two. We're gonna go ahead and actually put these to the side. We're gonna go ahead and open up the other big box. So this is the other big box I was talking about. It's a medium box, again from WaffleCollectables, and I'm not sure how many models are in here now then, given that the other box had those two. So let's see what we got. Oh, it's stacked, it's packed, guys. All right, let's go ahead here. All right, that's two right there. There are... another two in here by the looks of it, so I'm guessing this is just... Alright. There might be more, not sure. Just those, okay. So I'm not sure, there should be... Oh, that's two, and this is two, so... Alright, so I'm actually kind of surprised because there's one model in here that I was expecting to get, but I don't have. I'll have to check on that. Anyway, alright, so next up we have the United 737 MAX 9 in the older livery. I decided to just get this just because it's good to have a MAX, and I know eventually they're going to make an Evo Blue, one of the new livery ones, and I'll grab that as well, but good to have an old livery one too. Then we have United 757-200, very rare model, if you ask me, in just the normal livery. I have the Herart New York, New Jersey livery, but it's really nice to just have a plain livery 752 for United. And then let's see, next up we have Delta 757-200, another one, and then the very rare Delta A319. So lots of all GeminiJets, lots of really good models. I got these, as I say, off of WaffleCollectables. It was one of their collection sales, so a lot of really cool models. I don't know where to start, but I'll probably start with the United and the Delta 76. We'll just kind of work our way back. So I'm going to put all the rest off to the side. We'll go ahead and get started. So as I say, I got these all from WaffleCollectables. It was a collection sale, which is pretty sweet. I already have a Delta 76. I don't think I have a United A319, but I know not in the old livery, that is. I know I have one in the new livery in the Evo Blue, so I'm glad to have another one. And then, you know, the United 75, I've already explained that. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. Super excited. The box is a little dusty. Oh, let's see, this was a 2014 release. That's pretty cool. So, you know, there's the model, there's the information. Box is a little dusty, but this is from someone's collection, so model looks in good shape. Yep, alright, let's go ahead, check it out. Oh, that's beautiful. Alrighty. Let's put this aside. Alright, so there we have it. The United A319 2014 release. And as you can see, you know, there's nothing super fancy about this. Doesn't have a whole lot of the antennas, the bells and whistles. Oh, come on, focus. I'm not sure what's going on in my camera when it's not focusing. There we go. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Just kind of zooming in. So we have the cockpit, Star Alliance logo, just moving along the gear. Looks really nice. United titles, the engines, these engines. This is a good mold from GeminiJets. You know, this A319, very, very nice. The engines are good size. They're not too low to the ground. You know, they're a little tilted, which is fine. A little slanted, should I say, but nothing too big. I like this mold a lot. And then the registration N836 Uniform Alpha. American flag, just moving along. Got a little number there. Not sure what that says, but then the United, the old continental tail, the globe tail. Very nice model. It's very simple. Just turning it around. There we go. Now the baggage doors there. So yeah, that's the United A319. Very nice model. We'll just put this off to the side now. And we'll go for the others. Delta 76, that is. Alright. So here we have it. As I say, I already have a Delta 76 in my collection, but I believe this is a different registration from what I do have. This is 192DN. I don't remember which one I have. But I'm excited. You know, Delta still has these, and they're still going to be flying them for a while anyway. So, snagged another one. Alrighty. Oh, very nice. I love the packaging that GeminiJets used to do. This is a 2011 release. No antennas, but a very nice mold nonetheless. Go and get this put away. So here we have it. Here's the model. My camera's struggling today, guys. I apologize. Not sure what's going on. Maybe I need to readjust the light. What is it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, the 767. You have the Sky Team logo there around the cockpit. Cockpit windows look pretty good. Landing gear looks good. Delta titles and the logo. Engines look good. Winglets look nice. Registration 192 Delta November. You have the little baggage door, the actual baggage door there, and then the cargo doors will be on the other side. Got the Delta tail. Looking at it head on. Very nice. Very nice mold from GeminiJets. Their 7.6s have always been nice, even the newer mold with the antennas and everything. It's very nice. I've never had an issue with this. I don't think they've ever really messed it up from what I've seen. But yeah, so then the cargo door on this side, the back here as well. If it'll focus. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so that's that. Just, you know, nothing fancy. Just a good old Delta 767-300ER. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put this off to the side as well. And we'll move on to the United 757-200. This I'm really excited for. I was looking to try and get a Dash 300. Unfortunately, I missed out on grabbing that, but having another 752 nonetheless is amazing. I don't know how long these are going to be in service for, like in the future, but still excited to have these for now. Alright, so there we go. Looking really nice. This was a 2014 release. Alright. Oh, very, very nice. Fantastic model. Alright. There we have it. Excellent model. You know, it doesn't have the bells and whistles with the antennas or everything, the Wi-Fi and everything, but this is a really good mold. Gemini just did a good job on all these models from the past, honestly. So as you can see, like the landing gear, a little tall, but the 7.5 is kind of like that, so looks good. You know, United titles, Starlines logo there by the cockpit. L1, L2 door. The engine's looking really, really nice on this. Moving along, you can see the main gear there. These gears do not roll, which is perfectly fine. You got the winglets looking nice. And then moving back along, you have the registration and November 17128. American flag. Little fleet number there, I believe. And then the tail. So yeah, very nice model. You know, looking at it head on, very, very nice. This side, just got the cargo door, the baggage doors. That's about it. Same, everything else is the same. So yeah, super excited to have this. As I say, you know, it's the first one. 7.5. I have a Continental 7.5. You know, but getting a actual United one is really nice. If it'll focus, there we go. Alright, so that's out the way. We'll go ahead and move on to the next model, which is the Delta 757-200, another 7.5. This is a 2014 release as well, so another one of the similar molds. I have a couple Delta 7.5s in my collection already, but the more the merrier. These are still quite prevalent in Delta's fleet. Now, unfortunately, they have ordered A321neos, and that's probably gonna mean the end of the 7.5, which is really unfortunate. So hopefully, you know, I can get this in an airport update in the future before they're all gone. Either way, I'll do throwbacks because these still operate quite a lot of routes in and out of LA. So yeah, these are very popular on the Hawaii routes, which is nice. All right, so here we go. Delta 757-200. Come on, there we go. Focus. There we go. So you got the Sky Team logo. Gear door looks nice with the numbers there, and then, you know, the Delta titles, Delta logo, L1, L2 door. Engines look fantastic. Moving along, this is the same mold as the 7.5 United, so the gears don't roll, there's no antennas or anything, but no problem. You know, just moving along, really, really nice. November 5-3 November Whiskey, so this was the next Northwest bird. And then you have the Delta tail with, what is that, 5653 on the tail number there. So really nice, you know, just another simple model. These molds from GeminiJets are the best. Like, you know, there's nothing crazy about them. They're not, the wings aren't flexed, the gears are done right, the engines are properly sized, everything. It's really nice. So I'm excited to have more of these older models. There we go. So yeah, very nice aircraft to have in the collection. Put that to the side. And next up, we're gonna do the United 737 Max. This is 2018. So this was before. You can see the box is a little dusty. Don't worry about that. The model there. The model is there. It is. Information and whatnot. So yeah, this was obviously made before the Maxes got grounded, I believe, and they haven't made another one since, unfortunately. Hopefully they do. GeminiJets will make another one, or NG if they ever get the mold. The Evo Blue. Even if they make another normal livery one, like the old livery, should I say, like this one, that'd be fine. Just different reg would be nice. So here we go. I think this is my first Max 9 model actually in my collection. I can't remember. I know I have some Max 8s, but this would be the first Max 9, because I didn't get I missed out on the Alaska one, but hopefully we get a re-release of that. So here we go. Got the United titles there. Starlines logo by the cockpit. Gears look good on this one. You have the engines, the huge engines on these Maxes. Very nice, good detail. A little slanted, but I believe that's how it is in real life. I'd have to double check, but yeah. The winglets, the splits, if it's not going to focus on it, but you can tell it looks pretty good. Good angle on it. And then moving along, registration November 67501, American flag, and then the tail, obviously, the globe. The good old Dreamliner livery on the Max. Very nice. Looking at it. Honestly, not bad from GeminiJets. I gotta say, it could, you know, they could have screwed it up more, but this is pretty good. The gears, I believe they do roll. Front one looks a little crooked. That's not a problem. As this is obviously pre-owned, so it's not brand new as far as I'm aware. But yeah, so then you have the little baggage door there, and the baggage door at the front. You have the antennas, obviously, which is really nice. And yeah, so nice model. Great model. I'm excited to have this. There we go. Alright, and then last but not least, a very rare one, in my opinion, is the Delta A319. They haven't made one of these. This was a 2014 release. A good, 2014 was a great year for models. You had all these 7.5s and 319s. I believe there's some 320s that were released as well. But this is a pretty rare model. You see, it's not often that you find one of these for sale. So, to snatch this up for a good price, it was really nice. And this wasn't off of eBay, obviously. So, yeah, all right, let's go for it. Let's unbox this. So there we go. Fantastic. Oh. Uh-oh. Huh. Okay. Well, it's missing some tires. But, when they're not in the box, I guess that was just like from how it was with the previous owner. It's not the end of the world. I'll take it. Alright, so there you have it. You can see the front gear missing, and one of the back main ones are missing, but it's not the end of the world, honestly. You got the little SkyTeam logo there next to the door, the Delta titles, Delta logo. Some really good details around the cockpit and everything. The engine's looking really nice, perfectly sized, which is really nice as well. The wings. And the registration 349 November Bravo, and then the tail. Obviously, I believe this was an ex-Northwest bird. And there we go. We got the doors, cargo doors there, and everything. So I honestly didn't realize that it was missing. I don't know if that's how it was. I just kind of ordered this in a flurry. Because I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I need to get it. So I probably didn't pay attention and noticed that probably stated that the gear was damaged, but that's fine, honestly, and it's not the end of the world. I'll live with it. Just the fact that I have them all, I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that's gonna conclude this huge unboxing, I'd say. We have 6 models. Let's go ahead and move this out the way. So here we go, we have the 2 319s, 737 MAX, 7.5s. I don't know if I'll be able to get them all in here in the picture. But, and then we have the 7.6 there in the corner. So, yeah, there we go, guys. That's gonna do it for this pretty big unboxing. There was one other model that I'm guessing I have to check about that I was expecting. You'll probably see that in a separate unboxing video then. But for now, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Cheers. See you.